And then there will be some changes on the way come Monday. A cold front is going to sweep off the Atlantic. Behind it, we've got cooler air. Ahead of this weather front, hot air is spreading in from the south. Look how hot it's going to be on Monday across the north of France. High 30s, and that hot air is going to clip the UK. So let's see what's happening then early on Monday. We've got cool air spreading in off the Atlantic, that very hot air spreading out of France. Where it clashes, we'll see storms breaking out here in the northwest of the UK. Very difficult to pinpoint where they're going to be, but they will be spreading towards the northwest.
Good morning, Nina. Good morning to you at home. Well, what have we got to look forward to over the next couple of days? It's going to be hot and humid. The heat won't make everybody happy, of course. It's likely to peak on Monday, particularly hot out towards southern and eastern areas of England, but we're also expecting some thunderstorms.
But first, let's briefly cross to Paris. Look at that, the closing day of the Olympic Games coming up today. Medal hopes for the UK in the marathon, in the weightlifting, in the modern pentathlon, also in the velodrome. I'm hoping there is a good chance of taking over the Tokyo tally. Just 2 medals needed in order to do that. And we will miss the Paris Games, won't we? For now, though, let's check in with Elizabeth and a look at what the weather has in store here in the UK. Morning to you.
Hello, good morning, Nina. Yes, looking very different in Paris to how it was for the opening ceremony, of course, with all of that rain. It's going to be a lovely day here too, with a lot of sunshine. Look at this gorgeous picture. This is Nottinghamshire, so there's some mist, a bit of low cloud around this morning. That's all going to quite readily break up, and you've probably heard that it's going to be turning hot and humid, particularly for southern, eastern areas of England, central parts of England as well. There will be some thunderstorms for some of us towards the north and the west.
Paul Hawkins, BBC News.
Well, they always get people talking, don't they? What will the weather be like for Banksy if he's out and about today? Elizabeth has a look ahead. Morning.
Hello, good morning. Well, he probably doesn't plan to go to Colchester, but if he does, then it's a lovely sunny start. A lot of blue sky. It's going to be a lovely day here, but the humidity levels will be rising, especially in southern and eastern areas of England today, tonight, and of course tomorrow, when the heat is likely to peak with some thunderstorms too.
Let's cross live to the French capital then, because today is the closing day of the Paris Olympics and it looks set to be a stunner. Sun is coming up and we have medal hopes today in the weightlifting, in the modern pentathlon, in the marathon. So lots to look forward to. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it's looking like we will overtake the Tokyo tally. Just 2 more to go in order to do that. What's the weather got in store, though, for the rest of us here in the UK? Elizabeth is taking a look. Morning.
Hello, good morning again, Nina. Yeah, not sure I'd want to be running the marathon in Paris in all of that heat today. We'll stay dry for the closing ceremony there later on, of course. So very different to how it started, the Olympics. And here again, another gorgeous day too. Look at this picture. It just screams summer, doesn't it? This is Gwynedd in Wales. There will be a lot of sunshine around today, but we're talking heat, humidity, thunderstorms, all to come tonight and through the day tomorrow. For some of us,
live to Paris now, of course, on the last day of the Olympics. Paris there looking glorious right now. We have got the women's marathon underway with Team GB competing in that. We've also got some GB cyclists going to be on the track later.
Hello there. Very good evening to you. If you like the hot and humid weather, things are set to really hot up through the next 24 hours. There's been quite a bit of sunshine across the capital through much of today, but giving us something a little bit fresher as we go through the rest of the week, but still another hot day to come on Tuesday, and then from Wednesday a little fresher, but still some warm nights. Take care.
Good evening to you. It's been a very warm day today. Temperatures did get up into the high 20s Celsius in London. And for tomorrow, we're going to do it all again. Dry and sunny, hotter than today, likely to be the hottest day of 2024 so far.
Hello there. It's been a very warm day today for all of us, but tomorrow some parts of the country could get even hotter, and I'll show you where in a moment. It won't be for northern areas because here tonight and tomorrow morning we've got the threat of heavy rain, thunder, lightning and even some large hail that could bring some disruption. Further south, where it's going to be dry, well, this is where we've got the core of the heat and high humidity. And tomorrow afternoon in Cambridgeshire, perhaps, temperatures could reach 35 degrees. That'll easily be the hottest day of the year so far. Now, this sudden surge in the heat has come up from Spain and from France. But all that heat is getting pushed eastwards across Europe this week. And even the whole of Western Europe will turn cooler over the coming few days as we get Atlantic winds arriving as well.